Hey everyone, it's Jake, and today we're going to be unboxing the Steam Deck. Let's hop into it. Alright, I'm super excited about this. I've been waiting for this for not even a week, but yeah, let's just get right into it. I'm super excited about this. So let's see how you open this. It's reasonably heavy, which is good. I think we want to maybe do that. There's yeah, there's some tape. Okay. And I'll blow out my address. I got the little label there saying that there's a battery in here, so that's good. I think that's good to go there. Alright. This is, yeah, this is good. It's really good. So we got a little attention here saying plug it in, power on. Here is, we'll get to that in a sec. Let's see what's in here. I think this is the power brick, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, this is the power brick. So let's open, I guess we'll use the knife again. It's, yeah, okay. Whoop. That should be good to go. There we go. So this is a USB-C based power adapter. So it just plugs right in the Steam Deck. So there we go. Alright, and here it is. Comes with this nice little travel case. Wow, that is massive. That's kind of actually maybe not little. That's actually kind of big. Alright, your games are going places. Yeah, they totally are. Alright, moment of truth. It opens. How does it open? Oh, what's this? Oh, this is weird. There's a little lock here. How do you, huh. How do you do that? One sec, guys. This is it's a little weird. I mean, I get why it's there. It's just like security purposes, but it's really hard to get off. Is it? I guess we're doing this. Hope this isn't anything important. There we go. That's important. Okay. All right. Let's see what this looks like. Whoa! 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 That is massive. That's wow. Wow. Okay. So here's the thing. I've never seen this like in the flesh before. But yeah, that's really something. And right off the bat, the ergonomics are pretty good. Yeah. So yeah, we have a Nintendo Switch here for comparison. Yeah. See, look at the size. That's it's a lot bigger than the Switch. Wow. That is a lot better than I was expecting. Yeah, and then on the back says Valve, obviously because it's a Steam Deck. So you got your joystick, you got your thumbsticks, D-pad, typical control buttons, touch pads, Steam button, and the other button, I'm actually not quite sure what it does. Power button, there's your USB-C port right there. Light button, and yeah, shoulder buttons, and then the back buttons. So, I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this. Yeah, let me fire it up and we'll see what it looks like. All right, so it's plugged in. So let's turn it on. Oh, we had it. There we go. There's the Steam Deck logo. So this is basically a handheld computer that can play Steam games, but it just runs Linux, so you can play pretty much anything on it. It's an open platform. Feels really good in the hands. So we'll just wait for this to turn on. There we go. Okay. Alright, English. We want Eastern Time, yeah. Okay, I got it connected to a Wi-Fi, so it's installing now. It's installing something, I'm not sure what it's installing, maybe an update. But this is running SteamOS 3.0, so it's the same SteamOS that was on the Steam machines before this. Except those are running just regular Debian and GNOME desktop, whereas this is based on Arch Linux, but with KDE Plasma 5 for the desktop environment. So, if you've seen my tech reviews before, you'll know that I get very technical with that. So, yeah, we'll let this do its thing. Alright, we are in. So, we'll just tap to continue. Steam button right there. Press to access your library, store settings, and all that. Quick access button. Okay, so that's what that is. Power button is right here. Volume button's right there. I mean, y'all probably knew that. And then there is a micro SD card slot that we're going to put one in shortly. And yeah, that's kind of the setup process. And there we go, we're in. Awesome. Alright, so that was the unboxing of the Steam Deck. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I am going to be doing a review of this bad boy in the next week or so, so make sure you subscribe so that it'll notify you when the review comes out. And yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.